If you want to manage favorite contacts on iPhone 17, then first of all we can open the phone app. Now over here what you can do is you can go to contacts at the bottom, choose the contact that you wish to add to favorite, and over here we can scroll down in order to find add to favorites. Now we need to choose what kind of information we want to add to favorites, so we can choose call, phone, and then the phone number. There we go. In order to find your favorite contacts, you can go to calls and they will be listed over here. Let's actually add one more just to show you how it looks like. So we're gonna choose add to favorites, once again call, phone, and then the phone number. All right. And there we go, this is how it looks like. You can of course tap on these contacts in order to immediately call them. You can press and hold your finger in order to choose a different option, like for example you can send a message instead of calling. You can also tap on edit in the upper left corner and you can choose edit favorites in order to, for example, remove these contacts from favorites, or you can press this plus button in order to also add a new contact over here. So we have essentially two ways to add favorites. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.